Overview of the homepage. After logging into the UVLe website, you will see the UVLe homepage. In this video, we will explore the different elements of the UVLe homepage. We will demonstrate what are the key features that you can find in the homepage. So let me give you an overview of the homepage. These are the important parts that you have to remember. In the upper left corner, you will see the My Courses. If you click this, you will get access to all of your course pages. Then you will see a notification bell for new notifications and a speech bubble icon for new messages. Beside those two icons, there is quick links. Here you can access all common menus or widgets within UVLe, and there is also a search a course feature within this button. And beside that is your username. Under your name, if you hover your mouse on your name, you will see the following. You will see Guide Me on this page, My Grades, Help, Preferences, and Logout. So let's try these different features of the homepage. So again, in the upper left corner, you will see My Courses. If you click My Courses, you will see a list of courses arranged by status, and that is active or inactive. And within the status, it is arranged by role. Is it as a teacher, as a participant, or other roles, let's say administrative or assistantship roles. A course is active if it's available or visible to students. If it's hidden to students, it is labeled as inactive. So all of the course pages that you will set as hidden will be found under inactive courses. Again, this is the notification bell. Click the bell to see new notifications related to the course pages where you are enrolled in. And then you have the speech bubble icon beside it. Besides the speech bubble icon, you will see quick links. There you will see the widgets. So My Dashboards, My Courses, My Messages, My Private Files, My Tools, these are UVLe widgets. They perform specific functions within the site, and they're also present in the middle portion of the homepage. So if you're not in the homepage and you have to access one of these widgets, then you just have to click quick links and click the specific widget that you want to access. After that, there's an option, Search a Course. So if you want to search a specific course, just click Search a Course. Then type the name of the course, let's say UVLe 101. And then click the course that you want to enroll in or you want to visit. So UVLe 101. There you go. Coming from anywhere within the site, you can go back to your home page or to the home page by clicking the logo. There. That's under Quick Links. And then beside Quick Links, you have your name. When you hover your mouse on your name, you will see Guide Me on this page. So if you click Guide Me on this page, a pop-up guided tour will appear. So most of the pages in UVLe has this feature. So if this feature will not be activated after clicking Guide Me on this page, it only means that that page doesn't have a tour yet. So for this case, the home page has a virtual tour. So in case you forgot certain details or certain features of the home page, then you can use the Guide Me on this page. Again, you can use this in most of the pages within the website. Still under your name, you will see there My Profile. So if you want to check what's the content of your profile, just click My Profile. So I'll go back to the home page. Then under My Profile, you have My Grades. It's a summary of grades. And then Help. If you click Help, it will open the UP Diliman help desk. And then lastly, you have Preferences. If you have to edit something about the notification settings, the message settings, or you want to edit your profile, you want to add profile picture, you have to click Preferences. So let me show you that. So click Preferences, and then you have different settings that you can change regarding your UVLe account. So one of those is editing your profile. So if you have to edit profile, just go to Preferences, Edit Profile. Let's just run through this page. So again, you can create a description for your account and a user picture. We strongly encourage that you upload your own user picture so that your students or other users will recognize your face. Okay, so I'll go back again to the home page. In the middle portion of the home page, you will see their UVLe widgets. So we have 5 widgets. I've already introduced one of them, and that's My Courses. So again, if you click My Courses, it gives you a list of courses. And then the first one is My Dashboard. My Dashboard is like a profile page in a social media site. So if social media sites has a profile page, in UVLe we have My Dashboard. It gives you a summary of the different things that you can access with UVLe. So there you go, you will see a tab of courses, your private files, a preview of your profile, the calendar, upcoming events, etc. There's an option to customize your dashboard, that is to rearrange the elements of your dashboard, to add blocks, etc. So if you click Customize My Dashboard, there you go, you can move the blocks so that you can see which blocks you would like to easily access. You can also change the order of courses, the way they are listed. So let's say you want to see more recent courses on the top of your list, you can definitely do that. Just rearrange them, etc. You can modify the number of courses that you will see. There you go. So you can make minor changes in your dashboard. Next, My Messages. My Messages is essentially the same as the speech bubble icon. So if you click My Messages, it will lead you to your My Messages page. And then within this page, you can message anyone. Click Contacts, and then type the name of the user that you want to chat. So let's say Iskomunidad. And then click, and then you may now send a message. And you will see here if this user is offline or online. So if the user is online, then you can chat synchronously. There you go. Let's go back to the home page. Besides My Messages, you have here My Private Files. This is like a bonus storage, online storage space to our users. It's a very small storage space. You can store here, let's say, a backup copy of your syllabus, some documents, etc. It's just up to 200 MB. So just drag and drop the file to this box to upload some private files. So only you will see this file, That's why it's called Private Files. Last widget, we have My Tools. This is one of the more recent features of UVLe. If you click My Tools, there are different options to convert files. So PDF to MP3, so that's text to sound conversion. And then we have also image to text. So let's say you have taken a picture of a textual file using optical character recognition technology, it will be converted into a text file. And of course, there's also a converter to PDF. So so you can use My Tools to convert files. And below the UVLe widgets, you will see their latest announcements and resources, which include a community forum. So I hope you will participate in the community forum from time to time. And that's the UVLe homepage.
That's the end of the video demonstration. For questions and clarifications, open a ticket at UP Diliman helpdesk. Visit helpdesk.ilc.upd.edu.ph. Upgrade to interactive.